How to reset and reconnect without an old phone for the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. So here I have the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro connecting to one of the phones. So let's say I no longer have this phone, but it's still connecting to this phone. And now I want it to connect to this new phone. Okay, so I'll go in here and I'll go into Bluetooth. So I swipe down, tap on settings, then tap on connections. And in here, I'll go into Bluetooth. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this one first. So unpair that. Okay, so it is now removed. And this one here is now currently connected to this device. So we're going to see how we can reset it. So take it out of the case, then put it back into the charger case. And from here, we're going to touch and hold on both of the touchpad like this, touch and hold until you see the light start flashing. So go to blue, red, and green. Here you can see on my new device, tap on connect. Once you do that, it will automatically disconnect from your older device. And that's it. So now we have put the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro in a pairing mode and allow you to connect to the new phone without the old device. And that's it. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.